Hey, thank you for being here. You actually bought the AI Remote Job Kit. That shows your seriousness and commitment to your remote career, and I'm really excited about it. Now, I just want to walk you through so that you make use of this starter kit the right way for it to give you the best result. This tool contains about 10 modules. Now, I would ask you to jump to module 2 because that's where you're going to find over 100 legit websites that are currently recruiting AI, remote jobs, data entry, and other roles that are not related to AI. Just go down there and then you're going to see all of those websites. Now, take your time and go through the website one after the other. You don't have to do it one day. You can take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, depending on how, but just take your time to search those websites one after the other. Of course, this course also contains a video that shows you a walkthrough on some of those websites. All you need to do is just watch that video and then see how you can go and start applying. Now, let's set a realistic expectation. This is not a magic one. It's not something that once you apply, boom, it gives you a job. No, that's not what I'm promising. What I'm promising is that if you apply consistently with the right application, you are going to land a job very soon. But don't expect it just right now. You have to apply. But remember, you're not the only one seeking for these online remote jobs. There are thousands and millions of people worldwide who are making these applications. But of course, when you distinguish yourself, that's when you get hired. And that's what this particular course is going to do for you. So guys, go ahead and get it started right now. Check the ebook, read it completely. First of all, start with module 2 and then proceed to module 3, module 4 until you are done. I also have some bonuses right after the module 10. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and watch the videos on how you can apply in some of those websites, and also how you can prepare your CV. I mean, just take your time to go through this. Believe me, you will love it. Thank you once again for buying this course, and I really appreciate you. I will see you in our community. Of course, if you have any questions, you belong to the community, you can always put it down there, and I will be ready, always willing to answer you.